So today I'll be teaching you how to add effects on your finished colors. It's a really very easy trick, and I'm gonna share it to you guys. So here goes. So I always work on typically 3 layers: the flats, the final colors, and the lines. So I'm gonna show it to you. So this is the flats, and the lines are on top. Then in the middle is the final color, final rendering. There. So if you want to add an effects layer, you'll just add it on top of the lines, as you can see there. I usually label my layers so I won't be it will be easier for me. So a new layer, effects on top of the lines, then put it to screen mode. Okay, then choose black colors, and add color on add the color in your FX layer there. So you noticed the layer is all black, but you can't see it here on the final piece because it's set on screen mode. Okay, so let's begin adding the lighting and effects. So usually I use the darkest color first, like so. Adding effects would add drama and a cinematic flair on your artwork. So yeah, I'm adding a darker color, then proceed with the lighter color. Again, this is on the FX layer, which is on screen mode. Okay. So aside from adding layers, effects on this FX layers, they can also create depth. So what I do is I select the entire page, then select the characters closest to the camera. Okay. So please bear with me, okay? So now I'm deselecting the characters closest to the camera. I'll be adding depth. So our background is red. So let's play with the color red. As you can see, I'm putting colors in the characters at the back to create the effect of having, depth. So this is Bebop and Rocksteady, Shredder and Krang. So there. Notice this line, it's really clear. And this at the back has some sort of a reddish color. Okay, so the focal point will be Bebop and Rocksteady. Okay, I hope you get it. And in this FX layer, you can put the rim light on various light sources. Let's add a little shine to Shredder's blades. And let's put some shines to Krang's armor as well. So there you have it. Again, just to recap, I've showed you how to use or to put the effects layer on your artwork. Again, this is the flats, the final colors, the lines, and then the effects on screen mode. Then paint it black, then proceed coloring. Okay, proceed putting your effects and the shines, so there. I hope it helps, and good luck. Thank you for watching.